Good morning, students. I hope all of you understood our first block, block 2, and I hope all of you did all your block assessments the best you can do. So today we'll start a new lesson. Today we'll start block 3, digestive system, set 1, organs of the digestive system. So today our aim is to locate the organs of the digestive system. Today our aim is to know where are the organs of the digestive system, to know what are the digestive system organs. Okay, so before we get into the lesson, like always, we'll start with the keywords. You can keep your dictionary to note the meaning of the words. So keyword number 1, organs, and keyword number 2, digestive system. So there are 2 words for today. There are 2 keywords, organs and digestive system. You should search the meaning of these words in dictionary, because in test they may come. Okay, so we'll start with an activity. So I want you all to identify this picture. I want you all to tell me which organ system is this. Organ system, do you understand? Our body is made up of cells. Many cells make up a tissue. Many tissues make up an organ. And many organs make up an organ system. So can you tell me which organ system is this? Is this the circulatory system? Is this the digestive system? Is this the nervous system? What kind of organ system is this? Yes, you're right. The digestive system. This is the digestive system. So this is the digestive system with all the labeled parts. Okay, you can see. So these are the parts that we will learn today. Okay, these are the parts that we will learn today. So let's see. Here we have the mouth, then comes the food pipe, the liver, the stomach, the gallbladder, the pancreas, the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum, and the anus. Okay, so in total, there are more parts of the digestive system, but we'll learn only about these. So I'll ask you a question. What is the digestive system? What is the digestive system? Think and tell me, what is the digestive system? What could it be? So the digestive system is an organ system in our body which helps to take nutrients for the body from the food we eat. So in the previous lesson we learned about teeth, how we chew our food, how we eat, about the types of teeth and all. Yes, so now we'll see why we eat food. Okay, why we eat food, how does the food gets transformed into energy that our body uses. Okay, how? So the answer is the digestive system. The digestive system is a very important organ system of our body which helps to take the energy, to take the very important nutrients from the food that we eat to energy. Okay, so question number 2, how many organs does the digestive system have? How many organs does the digestive system have? I think I just told you, just a few seconds before I told you about all the organs that we will learn. How many organs does the digestive system have? So the digestive system has many parts. It has many parts, but we will learn only about 10 of them. Okay, today in this grade 4, we'll learn only 10 parts of the digestive system. So the organs of the digestive system, what are the organs of the digestive system? Can you name them? Can you name them? I just told you. Can you name the organs of the digestive system? So the parts of the digestive system are, listen very carefully, okay, listen very carefully. The parts of the digestive system are, first is the mouth, then comes the food pipe. The food pipe is also known as the esophagus, okay. The food pipe is also known as the esophagus. And then comes the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum, and the anus. Okay, there are 10 parts. You can pause the video and look again. The mouth, the food pipe, the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum, and the anus. Okay. So mouth, okay, the first part of the digestive system, from where all of it starts, is the mouth. Okay. So in the previous lesson we were studying about mouth. We were studying about the teeth in our mouth. So mouth is where you have all your teeth, your tongue, okay. So that's the mouth, okay. That's the first step, the first part of the digestive system, okay. And then comes, just after it, is the food pipe, the esophagus, okay. So the esophagus helps to swallow the food and take it to the stomach, okay. Take it to stomach. The esophagus is a long tube, okay. It's a long tube connecting the mouth to the stomach, okay, to the stomach. So the third part is the stomach. And the stomach is a J-shaped organ, okay, a J-shaped. Do you know what J is? Alphabet, okay. So J is an alphabet. So the stomach is shaped like a J, and that is where the food, chewed food, is falls into through the esophagus. And the fourth part is the liver, okay. So the liver is a very big organ. It is over the stomach, okay. And the liver produces juices, okay. The liver produces many chemicals, okay. So don't misunderstand juices with something that you drink, okay. This is the juices produced by liver and pancreas and all those body parts cannot be are not fit to drink, okay. They are used for digesting the food. So here, this is the liver, and then comes the gallbladder. The gallbladder is a very small organ, and it stores the juices produced by the liver, okay, only by the liver. The juices produced by the liver are stored in the gallbladder, okay. It's a very small organ. And then is the pancreas. The pancreas also produce juices, okay. The pancreas also produce juices which help in digesting the food in the stomach, okay. And then comes the small intestine. The small intestine is very long, but it is thin, okay. The small intestine is long and thin, and it continues after the stomach, okay. It is the continuation from the stomach, and then comes the large intestine. The large intestine is not as long as the small intestine, but it is very thick. It is thicker than the small intestine. Okay, so that's the large intestine. And then comes the rectum. The rectum is just after the large intestine. Okay, yeah, you can see the picture. The rectum is after the large intestine, and then comes the anus. The anus is at the end of the rectum. Okay, the anus is at the end of the rectum. So these are the 10 parts of the digestive system. Okay, can you repeat after me? Can you repeat after me, everyone? The 10 parts of the digestive system are the mouth, the food pipe, the stomach, the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas, the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum, and the anus. So these are the 10 parts of our digestive system. So what is the digestive tract? Okay, there is something known as the digestive tract. You might have seen this in your book. It is also written in your book. So what is the digestive tract? Think. So the digestive tract is the passage between the mouth and the anus, and it is also known as the alimentary canal. So the passage between the mouth and the anus is known as the digestive tract. So what it means is the places where the food travels, okay, from the mouth to the anus is known as the digestive tract or the alimentary canal. So let's see what all organs are included in the digestive tract. First of all, mouth, then the esophagus, then the stomach, then the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum, and the anus. Okay, there are very less parts. The liver, the pancreas, and the gallbladder are not included in the digestive tract. Okay, the liver, the pancreas, and the gallbladder are not included in the digestive tract because they produce juices, but the food does not travel through them. The food does not go into the liver and come out. The food does not go into the gallbladder and come out. The food does not go into the stomach, the pancreas, and come out. The food does go into the stomach, where the juices produced by the liver and the pancreas get added. Okay, so that is the digestive tract or the alimentary canal. So HOTS question. Okay, we have more than one HOTS question today. So HOTS question number 1. Which organ is smaller, the rectum or the food pipe? Which of these two organs is smaller? Okay, smaller in the sense which is not long, okay, which is short. Okay, which organ is shorter, the rectum or the food pipe? Think about it. So the answer is the food pipe, the esophagus, because the rectum is small. Okay, after the large intestine, the rectum is small, and then just after it comes the anus. But the esophagus is a very long organ because it connects the mouth, which is in your face. Okay, it's in your face, and it connects your mouth to the stomach. The stomach is in the center of your body. Okay, it's below the heart. It's below the lungs. It's in the center of your body. Okay, so it connects the mouth to the stomach. So it's the longer organ. Next is the hot question number 2. So hot question number 2 is which organ is thinner and longer? Okay, first of all I asked you only to see which organ is shorter. Now I am asking you two, which is thinner and which is longer. Okay, so which is of them is longer and thinner, the small intestine or the long intestine? The small intestine or the long intestine? Think about it. So the small intestine is thinner and longer. I told you, if you remember, just after the stomach comes the small intestine. It is long and thin, but the large intestine is after the small intestine and it is shorter and thicker. Okay. So I hope all of you understood what I was teaching. I hope all of you paid attention. I hope all of you know what the organs of the digestive system are. And so today's homework is to complete set 1 in workbook and to complete practice question 1 and 2. Okay. So worksheet set 1 is this, and I'll tell you the questions. So question number 1 is tick the organs of the digestive system. You need to identify what all are the parts of the digestive system and what all are not the parts of the digestive system. Okay. Option A is stomach, option B is windpipe, option C is nose, option D is food pipe, option E is larynx, and option F is rectum. Remember, you can tick more than one. Okay, you need to tick more than one organs. And then question number 2, label each part of the digestive system in the given diagram. Okay, so there are 5 parts and you need to label all of them. Okay, there are arrows given, you can write after the arrows. So question number 3, write down one difference between the 2 types of intestines in the digestive system. What are the 2 types of the intestines in your digestive system? The small intestine and the large intestine. You need to write one difference. Okay, only one difference between the large and the small intestine. Practice question 1 and 2. I'll read the questions for you. Question number 1, explain the meaning and importance of digestion. Okay, you need to write, you need to tell what is the meaning of digestion and what is the importance. Why is digestion important for us? You need to write both of them. Okay. And question number 2, what is alimentary canal? Okay, I told you what is the alimentary canal. I told you it is also known as digestive tract. So what is digestive tract or what is alimentary canal? You need to write. Okay. So remember, don't cheat. God is watching you. Be honest. Okay. Have a nice day.